How to change region in a Riot Games account. Now, for you to be able to get here, just open up any web browser that you want to use, and then just head directly to account.riotgames.com. And first things first is make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, after logging in, go to account management section, and from here go to your personal information, and this is where you will be able to see your current country or region. Now all you have to do next is just to click on support right here, which will take you out to Riot Games Support Center. Now if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find transfer region, and then just head directly to this link right here, and it's gonna be on a different page. You will then be able to get these requirements and reasons why you would like to change your region. All you have to do is just to comply all of the necessary information or details for you to be able to successfully change your region from the game. That's it. That's how you change your country or region on your Riot Games account.